Hi, hello, welcome to AutoPostingTools.com. Today I'm going to show you how the text replacer works. So basically the text replacer is very useful whenever you have a list of items that you want to repeat and you just want to change the content. For example, here I have the list of the modules of the software and I want to create multiple items for that list. In this case, here I have these source code, HTML code that I'm going to be using as a template. So I'm going to show you how this works. So this is my template, okay? In this template, I have here important information. For example, the ID. So you can just type module ID. So I type add module ID, add. Then I have module title, so I can copy that and I can put module title. So basically this is kind of creating templates for my content. So I can just remove this part here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this description. So description. So as you can see, basically this is information and these are placeholders that I'm going to be changing with my text replacer. So this is the things that we're filling out, and here is the link of the video that is going to be opening. So you could call it video link. So now what you do is with this information that you have here, you will open the text replacer. So to open the text replacer, you go here on mini tools and then you select text replacer. As you can see, here you have multiple keywords that you're going to be looking for, and then you will paste your original content. In this case would be all these. This is our original content, and we're going to copy that and we're going to paste it here onto the text replacer. So you paste it there. Now what we're going to be looking for is the module ID. We copy it and we look for the module ID and we're going to replace it with the number 1. Then we're going to go for the module title and we're going to call it a new title. New title for module. Then you have the title description. So you put the description there and you put this is my description. The next part will be the video link, which basically you type there http://youtube.com/video ID. So this is very useful because if you click replace here, it's going to replace everything for you, and now you have this new content that you can use it and paste it to get a new row into the module list. In this case, if we want to change the information, we can just come back here and we put 2 title for module 2. Then this is my description 2, or you could just change it video ID 2. And because this is our template, what we can do is we can just click replace, and now we have a second part, and you can copy replace it, and you have the second part that you could paste it right after this one. Then what you do is do the same thing for number 3, title for number 3. You could put a different title than this, you could put a different description, and you can have an ID for the video number 3, which basically you just fill out this content, and this using the template that you have is going to generate your new content every single time. So if I click replace, now I have the module 3, title for module 3, description 3, and so on. So basically this is very powerful for filling out content that you're going to have as a template. Or for example, if you were to have a template already made, you could call this the title, you could call this the content that you want to put, and basically you just replace the content and you get a new version of that. It's very simple, it's very easy. Now if you don't like this, what you could do is basically clear the content of both of these. So that's the clearing the content, or you can clear the keywords, so you start over from the beginning. And basically that's the text replacer it's like the replacer for the notepad. Here you type what you want and then you replace it, but it's more powerful because it has uh, more more times to replace more different values at the same time. So it just will save you tons of time whenever you're doing an activity that requires to have multiple variations of the same content over and over again. So this is the text replacer. If you want to get this, you can get it on Auto Posting Tools, where we have all these different modules. So far we have 72 modules. The number is going to keep increasing because we are going to keep adding modules. So if you want to get it, just go to autopostingtools.com and get it from there. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.